Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week, acquiring 2.92% in a quite huge manner. The cost of Axie vastness rose by 1.07% in the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. As far as Axie support floor, it fundamentally is currently $10.21, which in a real sense is very critical. Axie most certainly has its especially next obstruction at $11.87, which truly is very critical. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time all things considered. Clarified pressing issues. What certainly is momentary cost expectation for Axie vastness. Sort of is Axie a sort of wise venture, or so they most certainly thought. Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in a sort of significant manner. However, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Axie specialized investigation, generally let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,43010,892,478, exhibiting how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Axie endlessness cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time especially sought clarification on some pressing issues. What for the most part is transient cost expectation for Axie vastness. Truly is Axie a very wise venture. The truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $31,276,248,695, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they by and large thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%. Which essentially is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period, showing that however prior to plunging commonly profound into the Axie specialized examination, especially let us especially discuss the really current economic situations, which certainly is very huge. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, really is up by 1.98 and presently exchanging at 52 cents. So Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 2.92% in a for the most part significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. These occasions explicitly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a genuinely descending heading for pretty present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As of now, a by and large broad really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly shows that Axie has its really next opposition at $11.87, or so they especially thought. Axie limitlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which by and large shows that Axie endlessness backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in an unpretentious manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become significantly more in every practical sense dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how as of now, a sort of broad certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which certainly shows that Axie most certainly has its in every way that really matters. Next obstruction at $11.87, or so they generally thought. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers sort of move exceptionally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie boundlessness execution. The everyday diagram of Axie vastness in a real sense shows that the Axie cost sort of has essentially flooded up with a 1.07% expansion in sort of beyond 24 hours, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the Axie vastness coin by and large is remaining at $7.05 with market capitalization $824,700,122 USD. Really, in spite of prevalent thinking, Axie cost changes 2.92% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume fundamentally is drifting around $58,041,133 USD, which certainly is very critical. Axie vastness value investigation Axie cost examination for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span in every way that really matters. Made sense of underneath. By and large, further appearance how Axie cost changes 2.92% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $58,041,133 USD, which sort of is very critical. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving truly normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving genuinely normal and dramatic moving truly normal, to truly dissect the future development of the Axie vastness, which in every practical sense shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period, exhibiting that however prior to plunging essentially profound into the Axie specialized examination, truly let us truly discuss the kind of current economic situations, which in a real sense is very huge. The Axie endlessness especially has sort of break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things basically are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, showing how the complete exchanging volume generally remains at $31,276,248,695, which sort of is genuinely huge. At present, bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense take Axie cost beneath the essential help level of $10.21 in an extremely enormous manner. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline, showing how presently, essentially bears really are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Axie cost underneath the urgent help level of $10.21, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and explicitly is attempting to basically break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. While Axie's Williams %R marker sort of is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange especially signal most certainly is certainly conceivable at this reach, or so they really thought. Ends Axie vastness market in every practical sense gives a bullish indications, and bulls can generally push Axie kind of higher in the approaching meeting, which in a real sense shows that these occasions basically demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for pretty present moment, which generally is genuinely